Previously on Tuzidi na Hustle.
Our brother passes away.
Yeah.
Suddenly, no one saw it coming. That really hit us harder.
Yeah.
He'd been diabetic all his life, and basically he just went to sleep one day and he didn't wake up. He then began trying to fundraise for boxes, trying to write grants, trying to conceptualize and contextualize the idea into a solid thing. So then we started arranging for focus groups. We started talking to retired midwives and obs-gyns. We actually presented to them this concept, and they helped us refine it. And eventually the Toto Care Box was born at the end of 2016.
Where we were working just down the road in Oledume, there's a lady who used to work there. Her name was Lena. Yeah, Lena called us and she's like, my daughter has given birth, and we were like, this is the perfect time. We just go bless her, and I really wanted a baby now in a box, after, building the concept for about 6 months. So we had about 6 boxes, and we're like, okay, we're gonna give Lena's daughter and every other mom, who's there. So excited, I call Angie, whatever, we all meet at the parking lot, and then literally the parking lot, Lena calls, and she's like, mtoto ameaga. And we're like, what? It was heartbreaking. So she's like, please come up, Kujeni, whatever. We get there. It's one of the rooms, and there's this beautiful, gorgeous baby boy who was only alive for about 3 hours, had passed on, looked so peacefully. And I think it's a moment that we felt like God was telling us, okay, fine, this is a matter of life and death. Is this what you really want to do? And knowing that that baby died due to preventable conditions, and it was during the doctor's strike, and one of the preventable measures she died was obstructed labor, it was prolonged labor, which could not have happened. And it was a heavy moment. And I think as a vision bearer, it was like a death in the beginning of your, big vision. It was such a huge conflict. And I was like, are we really going to do this? I mean, and I think it was just a clear picture of God just showing you, yes, this is it. It is a matter of life and death, So are you in it or are you out of it, We asked them, so are there other women who've delivered? They're like, yes. And they're here, and we had the 6 boxes, and there's a lady called, I'm forgetting her name, Doris. She had the most beautiful premature twins. And we gave her the 2 boxes, and then other moms, yeah? And I remember Doris, for some reason, she was so thankful. She was so happy. And then she had been in hospital for so long, especially with preemies, yeah? And I remember when she was leaving the hospital, she called us, she said, Asanteni sana. And then at that time, Angela had put the story on social media. And then now we got another, media house to come and take a video of her using the boxes. And people shared our story. They're like, this is a brilliant idea. We want to give. I'm like, okay, you want to give? Yes, we want to give. And my goodness, we got so much support. I think with Mchanga now we've raised about 6 million. In total. Yeah. So literally, every time, obviously, we've done quite a bit of pitches, and every time we pitched, guys were like, okay, you know what? We'll give you money, but at the end of the day, people get tired, isn't it? You need to come up with a sustainable. I hated that word every time I had it. I was like, okay, fine, because it just poked holes all over. And we responded to a call. It was by dignified, and it was called the County Innovation Challenge. The winner would get 40 million, and it was mainly for maternal and newborn health innovations. So we were super excited, and we chose Turkana because Turkana, oh my goodness, they have the highest deaths. About 600 organizations applied, and from those 636 were picked to go to the next step. So we were like, oh my goodness, this is amazing, and we had just started. So when we got there, the mothers were like, apana, hii ni jeneza, this is a coffin, we will not put our babies in here. Na kwanza vile iko hivi, hapa mbuzi na gamia wanapenda kukula box. They find it very tasty. We were like, what? Well, this is different from what we got from Nairobi, because here, they picked it up, they really took care of the boxes. And so, well, we went to the Archdiocese of Lodwar. And we went to saw the priest. He loved the project. We saw the county health management team. They loved it. They told us, hey, now when you get money, please, we actually hope you win. Because here, a pregnant woman travels at least 50 kilometers to the closest health facility to just get antenatal care visits or to attend antenatal care or just deliver, you know. But now when it came to the women, they didn't want the boxes. So when we went to the Archdiocese, while we were still there, they told us they have like a weaving...
A shop.
A shop. And when we entered the shop, we literally saw like a raw basket like that one. And I remember us screaming, holding each other, jumping up and down. Because now we could contextualize the Toto Care Box to the Turkana. So it's basically taking all these items, putting it in the basket, yeah, and then we can still use it as a newborn maternal newborn health innovation contextualized to Turkana culture. So I went and presented, and they loved the idea, but we didn't win.
We were absolutely disheartened because we knew we were winning it. However, I am a mother of 3. I knew what I needed to do with this Moses basket. All my babies had actually slept in it, but it was not a concept that was in Kenya. I actually told the ladies this was going to be our business side that could enable us to give as many of these boxes for as long as possible without having to lean on people or waiting for funds to come in. So we thought, why not actually create a product line that serves that niche? And so this was born, the Moses basket was born. We've sold over 200 Moses baskets to date. We started in 2017. The business side started in 2017, and we have sold over 200 baskets. And we'd love to do a lot more.
The baby box for Toto Care Box, now our Kenyan baby box, let's just say that, comes with 18 essential items. So it doubles as a crib, so the baby can sleep in it. So it comes with a comfortable mattress, an undersheet, it comes with a baby blanket, it comes with baby clothes, water guard to make sure she has clean water, the mother has clean water in her household, a diarrhea kit. As I said, diarrhea is one of the leading causes of death of our infant. It comes with chlorhexidine for cord care, 3 usable nappies, liners, a waterproof pant, nappy fastener. It also comes with condoms to introduce the idea of birth spacing or family planning. And then we also have, which is very important, a net that fits perfectly around the box that prevents any insect-related illnesses like dengue fever or malaria. So the most amazing thing about Toto Care Box is when you give one box, you're actually saving 2 lives, the life of a mother and the life of a newborn. So we are hoping, or our vision is to sell 200,000 Moses baskets, and for that we'll be able to save 400,000 lives. Another vision that we'd love is if the Toto Care Box concept can be replicated in other countries, because obviously Toto Care Box, I mean, it's not only Kenya that we're having mothers and newborns dying due to preventable conditions. And lastly, our biggest attainable vision is to make sure that there are no deaths in mothers and newborns. So 0 maternal and newborn deaths in Kenya, we're hoping will be achieved by the Toto Care Box brilliant life-saving concept. Toto Care Box not only represents an innovation, it represents a social enterprise that is saving lives. So please join us and let's give every African child a dignified and equal start to life.
Angela,
yes.
The talk is done, sasa ni saa ya kazi.
Absolutely. Sasa ndio tutaona.
Do you think I'm up to the challenge?
How good you're at sewing?
Well, I made a mask before, so I'll take up the challenge.
So here's your challenge for today.
Yeah.
I will hand you over to the very capable Lillian to train you on how to trim a couple.
All right,
Yes.
thank you.
Brilliant.
And for you at home, if this is the first time you are watching us, this is Secure the Bag. It is a segment where I get hands-on and practical in what's happening. So today I will sew this bed. It's amazing. It's really challenging, but I'm so looking forward to it. Lillian, ni macho kwa mkono yako. Unionyeshe venye kazi inafanywa.
Ni rahisi kabisa.
Ni rahisi? Nice one.
Inama uione.
Okay.
Sasa tunadunga hapa na inatokea hapa. So na make sure umedunga inatokea huku
Na ni lazima ufuate hiyo line.
Na unadunga kwa hiyo shimo na unadunga mara 4 ndio ikuwe firm.
Nitaweza?
Jaribu tu. Ni rahisi.
Asante. We. Alafu narudi tena, si ndio? So now I'm sewing and I have to follow a straight line and I have to make sure the thread is strong enough. So I can't wait to show you the final product and then you can clap for me at home or wherever you're watching from. Ni sindano inakuanga ngumu hivi Lilian? We. Kuna watu hutumia meno. Naanza tu. Finally, this is the last row. And yeah, our bed will be finalized. So mtu akimalizia tunakata the thread. Yeah. And we have finished. It has been a very long process. I've pricked my fingers, my palm is red. Lilian,
Yes.
ungekuwa nilipe mshahara hapo ungenipatia ngapi?
Kwa sababu ni siku ya kwanza. Nitakupea quarter.
Quarter? So hiyo quarter tukiangalia ni kama how much hivi?
100.
100? Wow. Hey, you reap what you sow. So I think I'll just settle for that 100 bob. But thank you so much, Lilian. This has been so exciting. And you're doing an incredible job.
Thank you.
Yeah? Our guests today have made us laugh and have made us cry. They have shown that the path to success is not a straight line, but rather a journey through hills and valleys with only one rule: never ever give up. Thank you so much for watching Tuzidi na Hustle. Until next week, I'm your host, Martin Kimathi.